Alright guys, DuckBoy2634 here. Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be showing you the motor in this thing. Because the last time I said I will show you the, next time I open it, turn this fan on, next time I show you this fan, I will show you the motor. So I'm going to be doing that today. So, here we go. Okay. So first of all, you have to take out this screw back here. Well, first you have to pull this off, so you have to pull the oscillator knob on, so I'll go back. There we go. Just pulls off with a little bit of force. Pretty easy, actually. Put that right there for now. Now we have to take this screw. There's a screw back here. We have to unscrew it. Here, let me set the camera down like that. Sorry about the close focus, guys. I just have to focus. There we go. Here's the. Okay, so first of all, this motor's plastic. Isn't that cool? A plastic motor, a plastic PSC motor. That is neat. That is really cool. Kind of brittle on the top though. See, it's kind of, see that? It's like faded kind of. So DX-10 is focusing really well. Yeah, wow, the DX-10 is really focusing really well. That's good. Here's your gear for the oscillator. It's greased. It's really well greased. Screw. Here's your arm. Here's your pin. Ow. Very hard to push down and pull up. Well, the push down is kind of hard, but the push up's pretty easy to conquer. Well, you have to press it up. Bottom gear right there. See? Right there. So yeah, that's the plastic motor. I'll show you in action. If I can even plug this in, if I can even turn it on light. See, I have to turn on the switch because it's connected to I think the bottom outlet is the bottom outlet on all the bottom outlet plug on all the outlets are connected to that switch right there. Because the lamp's connected to the bottom outlet over there, and between those two chairs. So let's start up the motor. Here we go. Focus. Thingy there. It will focus. Oh yeah, there it is. That thing spinning in there, that's the rotor, or that's the shaft with the medium. And do not try this at home, kids. Do not try this at home. I am touching this, the windings, but there's no electrical charge on it. Do not try that at home, because it's very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Oh, a lot of air though. That's pretty good. Something made in 1991. Pretty good. Still oscillates. That's how an oscillating works. That's how an oscillator works in a fan. See? See, it acts like a pulley. Well, not really. It acts like a worm. Like it acts like an oscillating. Like it acts like one of those like. It kind of looks like the old like axles on a train, like those things that go like this. That's what it looks like, but it's going really slow on this here. And later on newer fans, on larger table fans, they now have like a little plastic kind of like thing right there. I don't know what that is, but I know they used to do the gears. That's a strong fan. Powerful. It's got good pitch, which is surprising. spin now. Oh, it has a startup sound. Cool. It's like a. I'll show you the startup sound now. Here we go. Be quiet so we can hear it. It's like a kind of sound. That's the startup sound on this thing. It's really cool to hear that on a more modern fan. So let's put this back on. Get over here. I'll be right back so I can put this on. That's pretty easy. Screw kind of is a pain to put on, but whatever. It's fine. Doesn't really affect me whatsoever. Going in. What I want to do. Okay, there's the hole right there. Just pop that in. Just start screwing it in. I don't want to screw anything up. Alright, the screw's in now. It is plastic threads, but nothing that serious, so. There's a little something right there. I don't know what that is. Let's pop the oscillator knob back on. Cool, it actually has a plastic motor, believe it or not. And this adjust tilt knob is actually from a SMC DF-16 16-inch oscillating table fan. Those ones caught on fire. If you, there we go. Now it's on. All right, here we go. This is a powerful fan. See, look, it's blowing the plants. Look at it, it's blowing that thing. We got that from the thrift store, by the way. That is cool. And look, the whole fan fits in the frame. That's what's cool about wide angle lens. Stop the oscillator. Back to high. Spin down. Watch it spin down. Actually, should I just... How do I... Can I stop this from... I can't. Takes a long time to spin down. And it is done. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please enjoy the video. See by me. And this is DuckBoy2634 signing off. Please enjoy. Bye.